If you want to elevate your event planning process, this video will be extremely useful. Do keep watching. Welcome back to Etiquette UK. I am delighted to have you joining me today. Etiquette is here for you. And if you're looking to find me and when I'm not here, please try me on Instagram. Leave me a DM if you need to. I look forward to that. I'd like to remind you that Etiquette UK is not about being perfect. I'll repeat that. Over the next 3 days, I'm going to provide you a series of videos to help you planning your end of year events. And the reason why we want to start planning is because we want to set clear goals and objectives of what we want to do. This will give you time to think about what it is you want to achieve, how you're going to go about achieving it. This will also help you stay focused and motivated. And then you want to be able to identify what resources you need. So the plan is going to help you identify the resources to achieve your goal, such as your time, the money you need, the people are going to be involved, the materials or products that you need. This will help to make sure that everything you need to be successful. And then you're going to develop a timeline. So planning helps you to develop a timeline to achieve your goals. This helps you to stay on track and avoid something I know I'm guilty of, procrastination. Planning will help you identify the potential problems that may arise, developing from solutions. Develop solutions for them. This will help you avoid surprises or any setbacks. And what's really important is to be flexible and adaptable. So planning is not about being rigid. It's about having processes in place, and it's important to be flexible and adaptable because things may not always go according to your plan, but planning helps you to be able to prepare for get-togethers, parties, dinner parties, meeting with your friends. You're planning it. If you're a business female, if you're a mother, you need to have good planning in place so that you can achieve all the things that you need. So you've got clarity about your goals, and you can identify what resources you need, and you've got a timeline for any potential problems so that you can find a solution. You are increasing your chance of success with your money, with the people that you're going to be around, with the products that you've got. So it's so important. A series of videos over the next 3 days are going to help you have a successful end of year event. Wine pairing, food and wine pairing, you can plan. Remember, if you fail to plan, make sure you plan to fail.